different type of handholds and connections. So let's start with the most closed one. It's called contact position. So imagine we hugging each other and my partner, she stays on my right side. So we don't want to face each other. So she's more or less on my right side. So you can see here. And we hug and we have a little bit contact in our rib cage and almost some contact in our hips. So it's very close position, almost like you're dancing a ballroom dance like waltz. Now this hand could be down here in a low connection, or it could be up here. Not too much open, just like right next to your ear, right here. So we can dance our basic rumba step or any step in the closed position. So let's see it. So we go quick and slow, quick and slow. So this position is very beautiful. It's create a nice romantic connection, but you have to, because we're so close, we have to really watch out how we step. We have to be very sensitive to our body movement, to our leg movement. So this hold teaches you a lot of sensitivity and coordination and harmony with your partner. So this is a contact position. So the next one, if we develop this, is going to be close position. So close position is going to be much wider. So here we would like to have a lot of volume. So imagine your hand, you play violin and my partner plays violin. Now this, my right arm go across my partner, fingers are closed and rests here under her shoulder blade. And we wanted to have similar connection for my partner. So hand is not here on the shoulder, is also under the shoulder blade with a lot of volume. Now here, we don't want to press on each other. It's almost like we're holding our own connection and we connect and the hands are just there. So we don't want to feel a weight, but we want to feel a slight connection. So we have a lot of volume. This is the most popular connection. Now, these fingers right here for the leaders. So imagine like you play guitar and you place your fingers like that. You can give a little bit slight pleasant squeeze. And these fingers for ladies are closed. Ideally, this part is straight. So your hand is like a plate and she places her hands there. So you don't want to move it too much. Now, in this position, most important is to keep your hands right in front of you. Don't take it behind when you start dancing and during the dance. So keep your hands in front of you. Don't use that frame in any sort of way. Just keep it in front of you and only use your body actions, hips, and your legs as you dance. So the frame should be still, but it has slight breathing, but it's more or less still, but it's definitely is not in motion like that. That will be not recommended. So keep it still in front of you as wide as you can. Now focus on your body actions. Now do the basic step. Slow, quick and slow, quick and slow, quick and slow. Now the next one, what we can introduce for you, it's double hand position, double hand hold. So we can hold it like this. So this is very good when you just start dancing, learning technique. This connection will give you a good sense of feeling the weight, the hip weight of your partner. So I use it a lot when we practice, and it has this width about it, similar as a closed position. I have even more volume because this hand is open. Now again, keep this hand in front of you. Try to use only your body actions, your hips, your legs, and just feel your partner and dance. Slow, quick and slow. So now in this particular connection, we like to feel energy towards each other. So it's like almost like our spines project to each other, so we feel a slight push, and we never wanted to let go, especially when my partner going back. So I demonstrate, let's say if I go back, I don't want to let go of this. So we always stay connected towards that connection. So we always have the sensation of push. So we will demonstrate this way so you can see it clearly. Quick and slow, quick and slow. Like it's a little lower, quick and slow, or 2 and 3, 4, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1. So the next type of connection, it's handshake, handhold. So imagine like we're doing handshake, we're saying hi to each other. So this will be our connection, and we can dance exactly the same step And here is important to have a little bit feeling towards each other. So our spines are connected. So we project the energy, the weight towards each other, and we can dance the whole step in this hand hold. Quick and slow. So the same step and so many different variations of connection we can use. Slow, quick, slow. And now one of the most popular connections is going to be left to right hand hold. So here again, how we hold. So the man holds follower's hand this way. So you want to connect like this, your fingers. Now she rolls under, close. Now here the wrists are straight. Now we have a little bit volume too. So you don't want to have it too short. You don't want to have it too much extended. So it's somewhere in the middle, but definitely with some volume. Now when we establish this connection, we want to have weight towards each other. And again, keep your hands in front of you and just move your body, dance your body. Quick and slow. Quick and slow. Quick and slow. Quick and slow. Or 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Now the last, it's facing open position. So we're gonna face each other. We're not gonna touch at all. And in this connection, we really want to connect with our partner and breathe together as we're doing our actions. And there will be no physical touch, but we're still very much connected, and we use this a lot. So we try to really coordinate, and how you can follow, how the followers can follow, they simply can mirror each other. So if your partner starts doing body action, bending the knee, that's what you do. If he's moving forward, it's time for you to move back. If he settles to the hip, you settle. He invites you back, he invites you to the side. So it's a lot of almost like you sending energy through the space without touching. So open facing position. Quick and slow. Quick and slow.